With that said, Matthew, the phone lines are hopping on this tonight. We're going to go to Biloxi and we're going to talk to Angela on line 1. Angela, good evening. What can we help you with?
Hey, Angela.
Hi, I hired a local pest control company to protect my house against termites. They came out, put those little bait traps around the edge of the house, and apparently they didn't work because now I have about $15,000 worth of damage to my floor joists and walls and hardwood floors and everything like that. So my question is, if I think I have a claim against the pest control company that was supposed to be protecting me, what information do you need from me to evaluate my claim? I mean, do you need receipts or contractor estimates, things like that? What do you need from me?
No, that's a fabulous question.
Great question.
Listen, I need all the information you just talked about. Of course, we need your termite contract. If you have one, if you can put your hands on it, but all those kind of receipts, that's exactly the information we need. And interestingly, when there's a termite issue, the Mississippi Department of Agriculture actually gets involved. And we have an issue with treatment or improper treatment. They actually have inspectors that'll kind of go out and check behind what's going on, and so we get them involved. So, but you are spot on, Angela. Everything you talked about is exactly what I need. All of that, any kind of paperwork you have, any email communications with the termite company and things like that. And she touched upon something, Kenny, that it's an issue in all these cases, and it's, and quite frankly, and not easy, but we're able to kind of resolve it, and that is the damage issue.
Oh yeah.
That by the nature of it, it's hidden, right? And it's hard. And so, listen, it's in their interest to repair or fix as little as they can, and it's in your interest to get everything, of course, repaired that's related to. So usually you've got a situation where that puts the homeowners and the termite company in, a basic conflict, right? Because they want to get out of there and pay the claim as cheap as they can, and of course you want to make sure that they get all the damage, correct everything, so you're not dealing with it down the road. And that's what we see quite a bit. We're seeing that a whole lot, that usually, sometimes they just deny fixing anything, and other times they fix a little bit, that's super obvious, and other things are left hidden, unfixed, and they come back to, quite frankly, bite everyone later.
You know what, Matt, listening to you, if you took out the word termite and inserted the word storm damage, or the phrase, it feels like you're talking about almost like a natural disaster, and when an insurance company sometimes fights you on those damages, it's kind of like a natural disaster, isn't it?
That's a great analogy, and you're exactly right. It feels that way to us as well. We litigate it. It's just back to the same old game again. Claims folks, people trying to get out of that. We don't pay those.
Wind versus water.
Wind versus water.
Well, it gives me chills. It gives me chills just saying that.
Wind versus water. We don't pay that. Oh, termites, we don't pay that either. That's the anyway.
People all across the coast just shivering.
Yeah. Oh, I'm still shivering.
I know
anyway, so absolutely. So it does. It has that feel to us too, Kenny. And honestly, as I say, this is litigation we wouldn't have, really, you wouldn't have gotten involved with years ago. But we're just seeing so much of it now, and folks, we're able to help folks out, and because it's a problem for all of us.